Is $10 a realistic price target when it comes to BBAI? Now, in today's video, we're going to be discussing BBAI and exactly where it's going, and we're going to be going over an article written by Forbes regarding BBAI's price projections. With that said, my friends, hit the thumbs up button. As always, remember, I am a promo bull when it comes to BBAI in the long term. Although in the short term, I may criticize it to the downside, to the upside, whatever it may be, right? I am a trader in the short term, but in the long term, I do believe in BBAI, the movement. So with that said, if you like these videos, hit the thumbs up button. If this video gets over 100 likes, I'll continue coming out with more BBI videos for you guys. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So when it comes to BBI, guys, today we're going to be going over here and reading this article by Forbes. So this beginning is just an intro about, what BBI is and everything like that. But let's go over here and let's start talking about exactly what's going on. So the good things and the bad things. So justification for a $10 price target. So rationale for a higher valuation multiple. So a return to 10 implies a price to sales of roughly 18 times on current revenue. While elevated, that multiple becomes plausible if several conditions line up. A, accelerated revenue growth. So management needs to show credible path to faster top line expansion. Now, this is something which I've been extremely, critical when it comes to, BBAI. I believe that I don't know what the hell the company is doing. I don't think that an AI company should be growing at a 5% annual rate. I mean, that is insane, especially a company which is in its growth stage, right? It just makes no sense, right? But hopefully under new management, this will change and we will see a massive boom in the upcoming quarters. With that said, defense AI premium. So in periods of geopolitical tensions, defense AI assets can command higher valuations, potentially aiding Big Bear AI. Okay, so very good. And as we know, Palantir is going crazy, and Big Bear AI, they call Big Bear AI Palantir's little bro. So we got to see what's happening, right? Successful backlog conversion. Delivering on sizable backlog would validate scalability and execution. Comparison to higher flying peers. So Palantir, there we go. As we were talking about, right? Palantir's remarkable 400% gain over the last 12 months underscores investors' appetite for defense AI. With its stock trading at a PS of 107, the market clearly pays a premium for growth and potential in this category. If Big Bear AI demonstrates a better execution, similar momentum could emerge, right? Now, potential for a shift in market sentiment. Delivering on a new contract against a backdrop of ongoing geopolitical developments could flip sentiment. That shift might spark speculative buying, a common pattern amongst small cap AI names with strong perceived growth. Okay, so they're in a way talking about BBAI hype coming back, and also just in general AI hype. I think that's something that could also come around as well, right? We've talked about this before, where so many people want to say, oh, the AI hype is dead, there's no AI hype anymore, blah blah blah, or the AI is in a bubble. AI is in a bubble. AI is nowhere near a bubble. Okay, I think that the bubble, we are far from bubble territory, and I think that we're going to be seeing a lot more green in the AI space before we ever enter the AI territory, okay, or bubble territory. But there are risks to this upside potential. So execution and financial risks. The central risk is Big Bear AI's continued difficulty turning contracts into meaningful revenue growth. Execution challenges are compounded by its financial position. The company held $113 million in debt and generates negative operating cash flow. Ongoing losses would necessitate equity raises, diluting existing shareholders and weighing on pre-share returns. This is what we're talking about, right? Dilution is a probability. However, the company right now, it does have a lot of cash when it comes to covering their operating expenses. So this shouldn't be something which we need to worry about. Market and competitive headwinds. Big Bear AI's reliance on government work makes it sensitive to defense outlays. Even a 10% cut could make materially effective revenue, could materially affect revenue. In addition, uncertain government budget cycles can delay awards and payments, adding financial unpredictability. Competition is also intense. Larger defense contractors with deeper resources and entrenched relationships may increasingly vie for AI awards, pressuring Big Bay AI's share. Palantir we're talking about. Even at $5, Big Bay AI trades at 9 times its revenue, with a limited growth supporting that valuation, suggesting fundamentals and over-valuation of current operations. Okay, all right, very good. So investment verdict, let's talk about it. So it says Big Bay AI is a classic high-risk, high-reward idea. A move back to $10 is possible, but it depends on several factors. Effective backlogs, we just talked about that. And a turn in market sentiments as well. That said, downside reward is substantial. The name has a record of extreme volatility, and the same speculative energy that might push shares to $10 could be the same that sends them below $1 in a downturn. Okay, it's not going below $1. All right. I don't know what the fuck. This makes me just. I'm done reading this now. All right, I'm done reading this. Okay, bullshit. It's not going below $1. All right, don't worry about that. All right, the lowest this ticker can go is gonna be these levels right over here, which would be the $3 level. I don't see this ticker going below $3. If it goes below $3, I'm taking out a mortgage on the fucking 3 properties I own, and mortgage, fuck my mortgage. I'm selling my 3 properties and I'm buying this ticker at 3, right? And I'm just gonna play it simple. I'm gonna play it simple from a 3 to a 4.6 move. Oh, there we go. 50% gains. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, right? I mean, it's not going below 3. All right, it's not going below 3. Anyways, so where do I see this ticker heading in the upcoming week? I see this ticker trading between this 475 to 550 range, right? 475 to 550 range, right? That's where I see this ticker trading in the upcoming week. Now, if the markets are good, it's going to be closer to 550 to 6. If the markets are bad, it's going to be closer to $4 potentially, $4 to 475-ish. Or I doubt it's going to get below 475, I'll be honest with you guys, or 475 to $5-ish. That's where I see it. Now, listen, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, right? BBI is not the only ticker that I trade. I day trade every single day. Well, I don't day trade every single day, but day trade when the opportunity arises. But I do have a lot of swing positions, right? In TSLL, in PLTU, in SOUX, in SOUN, and we've been absolutely crushing it, right? Right now, the next 10 members that join, they get access to the Discord for a 50% sale. I know you keep hearing this, but the prices are going up. The prices are going up. This is the cheapest you ever have access to joining our Discord. Give it a shot. It comes with a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. We already have over 400 members coming back month after month. Previously, we used to do a 7-day free trial. Now, we do a 2 weeks free trial. Try it out for the first 2 weeks. See if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave. This says, hi, Sunday for our work. My 7-day free trial. We used to do 7 days. Now we're doing 2 weeks. Try it out. Try it out for yourself. See what the hype is about. See why we have over 400 members come back month after month. What's going on here, right? Like, what are people actually making money? Is this what's happened, right? What's happened? Literally a couple of days ago, good end to the month. Learned the importance of risk management. 14,000. Took 6K out, by the way. That's I'm sure to help me surpass my job. So we have people, replacing their income with our community. It's working. It's working, guys. See what's happening, right? Like, be a little bit curious, right? Understand, hey, people are nice to finally have a good week. First week join us, by the way. $20,000 in a single week. Can't make this shit up, man. You cannot make this shit up, okay? I mean, it's 6x from when I joined this Discord. My goal was to reach it in less than a month. This Discord is by far the best. All thanks to AJ show for our Sunday show. The ultimate thanks goes to Top Trick Academy joining this Discord. We have day trailers, swinglers, optioners, lessons, one-on-one access. You name it, we got it. 2 weeks free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. I'm looking forward to meeting you in Top Chart Academy. With that said, your boy Sam.